5 leg workouts to build and restore a strong core. Bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your hips by bending your knees and pushing your hips back as if you are sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and back straight. Lower until your thighs are parallel to the ground or as far as your mobility allows. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Reverse lunges. Stand with your feet hip width apart, step back with one leg and lower your body until your front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Your back knee should almost touch the ground and your front thigh should be parallel to the floor. Push through the front heel to return to the starting position. Alternate legs and repeat for the desired number of reps. Glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms by your sides with palms facing down. Lift your hips off the ground, squeezing your glutes and core. Hold for a moment at the top, then lower your hips back down. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Calf raises. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart near the edge of a step or sturdy platform. Raise your heels off the ground as high as you can, standing on your tiptoes. Hold the position for a moment, then lower your heels back down. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Wall sits. Stand with your back against the wall and feet shoulder width apart. Your thighs should be parallel to the ground. Hold this position for as long as you can, keeping your lower back against the wall. Open and close legs to build the inner thighs. Repeat for the desired number of reps. Remember to warm up before performing these exercises and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any pre-existing conditions or concerns about starting an exercise routine. Start with a comfortable number of reps and sets, increasing the intensity as you get stronger and more comfortable with the exercises. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy the video? Hit the thumbs up and subscribe.